The Trac 2 is a two-blade razor introduced by Gillette in 1971, which is still used today. The number of blades increased from here. It has a stationary head, so it doesn't move or pivot. Here is the track that holds the blade. We carry these Persona blades, which are a hybrid, meaning they fit the Trac 2 and the Atra razors. The plus on the packaging means it has a lubricating strip. No plus, no lubricating strip. There are 10 cartridges per pack. To load the Trac 2 blade, hold the case so that the lubricating strip is up on top. Start at the corner, insert the track into the cartridge on an angle, slide it across till it reaches the end, then tilt the handle slightly upward and it pops right out. To remove the blade, use any object, just push it against the side. You can get it off that way without touching it. You can also remove the blade from the case and load it this way. Lubricating strip up on top. Slide the razor onto the track, all the way across. That's it. Very simple. You can remove it this way, just carefully hold it from the outside edges and slide it off. Get yours at shavenation.com.